Final race for tonight, Santa Ana Park. With Tong Sibylla, Sampaloc City. And the reason Ideal View from the outside rushing up is entry number 7, Golden Race Thunderbird. Go! Snake Go, Marcus Wolf. It's Thunderbird racing on the outside, Golden Race. Go! Snake Go, in between runners. Thunderbird, go, Snake Go, and racing in third is Golden Race, racing in fourth, Ideal View, Bliss, racing in between runners is Hot Gossip, alongside is Marcus Wolf, Stake Gold, and racing on the further outside is Elusive Green, and rounding the far turn, Thunderbird by half a length. Go, Snake Go is racing on the outside. Gossip is running into Marcus Wolf, Ideal View, Golden Race, Bliss, and racing by there's as well. Number 1, Stake Gold, BM Abe, left unseated as they race the final corner. Thunderbird by a length and a half, followed by Go, Snake Go, and by the rallies Hot Gossip, Marcus Wolf on the outside. Thunderbird, Hot Gossip, Marcus Wolf is on the outside. It's Thunderbird, Marcus Wolf burning the tracks and winning this race. Second, Hot Gossip, 7A, Ideal View, Thunderbird, Bliss, Go, Snake Go, Elusive Green, and number 2, Mastercraft.